Okay, so here I am in my 2000 Chevy Impala 3800 Series 2. I've done some major work on this car a couple years back, including engine repair, power steering, gaskets, intake and head gaskets. And I've always had a key problem with this, so I decided to change out the ignition switch before I got everything else done. And ever since then, I've heard this is a common problem. I've had this happen quite frequently, not every single time, where the security light would flash several times and the engine would not start. It's very irritating. It's pissed me off so many times. As you can see right now, I'm in a Walmart parking lot waiting for this security light to stop flashing, which takes anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes, and that it will reset on its own. It's been roughly 10 minutes right now, so I'm just sort of waiting by. What I figured out to do is that you have to leave the key on it doesn't matter if the windows are up or if the car is locked or if the door is closed. It doesn't matter. It will reset. Like I said, it takes anywhere from about 10 to 15 minutes to do it. You'll have to wait until the security light itself stops flashing. It'll be a steady on security light, which is what I'm waiting for right now. So just bear with me. It should be along any moment now. Like I said, I've been waiting roughly 10 minutes, about 10 to 15 minutes. I just grown accustomed to it, but I notice it's happened ever since I changed the ignition switch, which came with a new key once I applied it. I still have to use the old key to get into the car, obviously, which, that's common sense. So right now, we're just waiting for that security light to stop flashing. I have heard that this has become a common problem in Impalas, ranging years 2000 to 2005. Some of the security light features, some of them will stay on with no start. There are some, there we go, right now. So what we should do right now is turn the key off, wait a few seconds, turn the key back on, and see where we go from here. And there we are. We're on our way. So the best advice to do is to wait the full 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, depends on how many times you try to start it before that security light does its security shut off or whatever. It's ridiculous, but that's the way